Welcome everyone in lecture 12 of unit 5, and we are studying Turing machine as a function that performs some specific task. In last lecture we have designed some Turing machines such as eraser, for one's complement, etc. And in this lecture we are going to design a Turing machine that perform 2's complement. And we know that suppose we have a number 0 1 0 0 1, and what will be the 2's complement? First we will find 1's complement and add 1, so it will be like that 1 0 1 1 0 plus 1, it become 1 1 1 0 1. Suppose we have another number 0 1 0 1 0, and what will be the 2's complement? First try to find 1's complement and then add 1, it will become 0 1 1 0 1. Suppose we have another number 0 1 1 0 0, and what will be the 2's complement? First try to find 1's complement 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, then add 1, so it will be 0 0 1 and 0 1. So here is a pattern. If this is the input, then till first one from the right hand side it is same, then after that every 0 is converted to 1, every 1 is converted to 0, 0 to 1 1 to 0 0 to 1, and here at this blank, when we move from this direction to this direction, and we will get a blank and we will halt here. From this corner if you will see, till this one, the very first one from the right hand side, it is same till the very first one, then after that it is a complement 0 to 1 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Similarly in this example, till this first one from the right hand side, it is same, and after that it is the complement. So what we need to do, suppose we have this input 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 over the tape, and we start from this position. First we move to right hand side, there is blank, and from this direction we will try to find the very first one, so we leave 0 as 0 0 as 0 and 1 as 1, and this one confirm that we got the first one. Now after that if we get 1, we have to convert it to 0 and 0 to 1, and the blank on this side we will halt. Similarly, suppose we have a input, so tape is open from both sides, because when we will come from this direction, then after the very first one we have to complement everything till this blank. Suppose we have 0 1 0 1 0 over the tape, we start from this position, moving to right hand side corner and leaving everything as unchanged. From this direction we will try to find very first one, so leaving 0 as 0 and finding 1 and leaving 1 as 1, then after that 0 to 1 1 to 0 0 to 1, and at this blank we will halt. So TM is very easy. We start from start state, and what is our first goal? To reach the right hand side corner. So here if we get 1, leave it as 1 and move to right. If we get 0, leave it as 0 and move to right. And by moving to the right we will reach to the blank, and we leave it to blank and move to left. When we will move to left, we have to find very first one. So if we get 0, leave it as 0 and move to left, because our goal is to find very first one from this direction. So we will move to left till very first one. So if we get the 1, if we get 0, it remains 0. If we get 0, it remains 0. And if we get 1, that 1 is also remain as 1. And we will move to the left of this one. We will move to the left of this one. And now we will complement everything. 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. After this one, we will complement everything. So after this, if we get 0, we convert it to 1 and move to left. If we get 1, we convert it to 0 and move to left, and we will reach to this blank. Here you can move to left or right, it doesn't matter. At the end you will reach to halt state. So it is state 1, it is state 2 and state 3, and it is state 4. So TM will be designed in such way. Only problem with this input is that you didn't find any one. Suppose input is 0 0 0 0 over the tape, and you reach to this corner, and from this corner you try to find 1, but there is only 0. So 2's complement of 0 is 0 only. So if you didn't find any 1 while coming from this corner, if you get 0 0 0 and reach to this blank, it should also accept. If you didn't get any 1, so here also you will reach to the halt state. So this is the Turing machine for 2's complement. So let's move to the another example, another machine design a Turing machine for fx is equal to x plus 1, where x is binary number. So here this example is differ from the example we took in last lecture, because where at that lecture we took x as a unary number. Now x is a binary number. Suppose we have 1 0 1 1 as a input, and by adding 1, what will happen? These 1 will be convert to 0, this 1 will convert to 0, and this 0 will be 1, and this will be the output. Suppose we have 1 0 0 1, we add 1, it become like this. Suppose we have 1 1 0, we have 1 1 1 1, and we have 0. Suppose we are adding 1, it become 1 1 1 0 1 1. Suppose we have another example, 1 1 0 0 and 0. If we add 1, it will become 1, it will remain same. And suppose we have another example, 1 0 1 1 1, and we add 1, it becomes 0 0 0 1 1. If you look carefully, till the very first one, till the very first 0, it is doing complement, 1 to 0 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, and everything remaining remain unchanged till the very first 0. From the right hand side, it do the complement, 1 to 0 0 to 1, and everything remain unchanged. In the left, everything remain unchanged. We have to find very first 0 from this corner. Similarly here, we have to find very first 0 from this corner, and till this 0, everything is going to be complement, 1 to 1 1 to 1 to 0 1 to 0 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Here from this corner, very first 0 we have to complement till very first 0, and everything remain unchanged. Similarly here, very first 0 we have to complement till this, and everything remain unchanged. So what we need to do, we have to find very first 0 from this corner. So from start state, first you need to reach this corner. First you need to reach at the right corner. So if you get 0, leave it 0, move to right. If you get 1, leave it 1 and move to right, and you reach the left rightmost corner. So and you will move to the left, and what is your goal? You have to find very first 0, and till this 0 you have to complement everything. So while you are moving to the left, if you get 1, you have to make it 0 and move to left. If you are getting 1, it will remain, it will convert to zeros only. What if you get 0? It will indicate you get the very first 0 from the left, from the right hand side. You find the very first 0, and you have to convert it to 1 and move to, you can say move to left or right, anywhere. Suppose you are moving to left, and here you can halt also. Here you can halt, because after that everything is unchanged. After very first 0, everything is unchanged. So you can halt by converting this 0 to 1. So in this way you move to the rightmost corner, and from the rightmost corner you have to find very first 0, and till then if you get once, you have to complement, and to very first 0 you have to convert to 1, and after that you can halt. What will happen if Tm contain ones only, and you reach to this corner, and from this corner you are trying to find very first 0? First look what will be the output if you add 1 in all ones. It will become 0 0 0 0, and 1 carry will be there. By adding 1, it is, suppose it is 15, so it becomes 16, and 15 is in 4 digits in binary, and 16 is in 5 digits. So what you need to do, when you are converting every 1 to 0 from this corner, when you are returning from this corner and you are converting 1 to 0, in the hope you will find a very first 0 from right hand side, but you didn't find very first 0 and you reach to the blank. What you need to do, you have to convert this blank to 1. If you didn't find 0 and you get the blank, you have to convert this blank to 1, and here you can halt. Here you can halt. So this will be the Turing machine for the increment of 1 in a binary number. So you have to identify the pattern only, and pattern is very simple. From the right hand side corner, you have to find very first zero. If you can find it very first position, you can find it in second position, you can find it on third position or any position. Before this zero you will get 1, so convert every 1 to 0. If you get this 0, convert this 0 to 1, and here you can halt. Here you can halt at this position. So this is the Turing machine for addition of 1 in a binary number. Thanks for attending the lecture.